Yo, big up on yourselves, guys. Once more again, this is Quick from Bars Beats. Oh, we do some of the maddest reviews them around here. Now you up now. You see today in the program, me I do this week decoding. It's called Every Day is Christmas by none other than Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man. Decode, turn up. Now, this is one from the archives. I say a big song, so you know me have to go in a hit. Remember, people, if you're new to the channel, one thing you have to do, one thing you need to do, click the subscription button. And if you want to get the latest ones, then because me tell you, say them drop every day, click the notification bell. Trust me, click the notification bell. And remember to share the video. Stop be selfish and keep the things on yourself. You no need to share the videos. Yeah, man. Big one thing. Now, you know, I could go into the song quick and fast now. Because me a decode. Me a decode, Alright, go in night.
Thing, from December start.
Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright, you see that brother there? TJ. TJ. Let me tell you TJ a word. I soon go further. Yeah, TJ Records. TJ Records is one of Vybz Kartel's manager. But the guy who I search for is Ding Dong, dancer. Let me see if I can find him.
Day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
See him there. This is Ding Dong. Famous dancer, famous artist. Big song, shoulder, fling. Make we go further in the song. We're not wasting no time because we are decode and we want to catch it.
Oh yeah. Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Who wants to pick at the party? Girls are free coming. Go 1 million comments. Dance all to the streets, no else. No member about no classes. You a good life street with them.
Alright, make we go in the decoding part. Here what now? This song here was done while Vybz Kartel was incarcerated again. Many of songs that he did was while he was incarcerated, and that's one of the reasons why you don't see him in a lot of his songs, because they were released when he was in prison. So this was actually a dancehall event. So that's why you see it like this, and this is actually how the dancehall setting is like in Jamaica. Okay, make us go in the song. Hey, hey. Girls are free coming. Go back.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Who wants to pick at the party? Girls are free coming. Go 1 million comments.
1 million.
Dance all to the streets, no else. No member about no classes. You a good life street with them. Just dance to the beat, oh yeah. Dance all to the people say. With me girl, I'm rumming on me hand. I'm rumming on me hand. Every day is Christmas.
Hey, hold on, man. Me have to make hear what I'm saying to them. I tell you, say the brother is creative till it buck, brother. Him creative out of the world, yeah. And the other world and the other world. Different planet him from. Anyway, I can't do it. I don't know him do it, but here what. Listen it for yourself.
Just dance to the beat, oh yeah. Dance all to the people say. With me girl, I'm rumming on me hand. I'm rumming on me hand. Every day is Christmas. With me girl, I'm rumming on me hand. I'm rumming on me hand. Every day is Christmas. Roll your bumper, me baby. Express how you feel today. Your soul set free when you reach the edge. Can't turn back now, girl, feel yourself. Everybody so clean. We there heaven and I give them hell.
Hold on, man. You think say you could have catch me having a decode a crack. You what? Him say, you're there heaven and you give them hell. Hey, let me tell you something that easy, man. When it comes to oxymoron there, that oxymoron in Japan right in there, so straight. Yeah, they are heaven and give them hell. So, yes, when it comes to the dancing at Jamaica, yes, when it comes to the actual dancers, them, it's amazing, man. The best thing you can do for yourself is find yourself a one dance at Jamaica. You don't have to go in at the dance because you might can't manage. You can stay back, watch the dance, and you see some amazing dance moves that go on. Because in Jamaica, in Jamaica you have dances where they give names like Willie Bones, Gully Creeper, Bogle, Shoulder, Fling. They have names. And when you see people that do them in unison, boy, I tell you, say, man, it give you goose pimple. Anyway, go and watch the dance here, sir. Go show.
Feel yourself, everybody so clean. We there heaven and I give them hell. We the people say.
And you know that brother here right here, so? Well, them not move there no time way. This brother here is Usain St. Leo Bolt and sitting down here again. So it's a celebrity party, look like it was kept there. So because if we might can find him further down in the video, but me just show you from early see when you see him. And who don't know Usain Bolt, the fastest man to have ever lived. Maybe even on this planet and another planet.
We there heaven and I give them hell. We the people say, dance all to the streets no else. Give me girl, I'm me rumming on me hand, I'm me rumming on me hand. Every day is Christmas. Give me girl, I'm me rumming on me hand, I'm me rumming on me hand. Every day is Christmas. She feeling hot, got the bathroom and come back. We cool laugh like that, dance all tunes to start back. The selector start play some souls and the girl brace me like that. Me stand up one play.
Alright, that's this guy here now. He's called Shelly Belly. I don't know when I'm Belly now, I must say Shelly, but his name is Shelly Belly. He's a famous dancer also in Jamaica. His signature moves is when you see him doing this here, swinging his neck or his head and having the chain rotating around it. He's a very gifted dancer. He's not one of them where you want your girlfriend go dance with because him have her stroll all over the place, and you might see it in this video as well. But he's a very famous dancer. Let us go again and we'll find him.
The selector start play some souls and the girl brace me like that. Me stand up one place, I wait till
Boom boom again. Hold on, we must find boom boom.
brace me like that. Me stand up one place.
Okay, this is boom boom. May I give you no history, no people. Me now just watch this song and decode. May I give you no history, so no need to know the people them. This is boom boom, famous selector, and this video was shot long time ago. Still, it's a little bit older now, but boom boom. His thing is boom boom. I think it's called Boom Boom Tuesdays, and it's kept uptown, which is in St. Andrew. Let us go.
I wait till boom boom pick up the pace.
Alright, yeah, Vybz Kartel calling name there a while ago, so you know, say no joke me making. Alright, now you see money push up on the table. There's a culture in Jamaica that is called money pull up. And this is exactly why the money is there. Now, the money pull up is done when there is like a big song being played. And when a big song is played now, people pay money for the song to pull up. And when we say pull up, I mean start over. When you have celebrities in the dance, they always pay money. It's like to show that you have more money than anybody else. And who in that is always the selectors. Because they will find some of the baddest songs to play because they want the money. And the money pull up goes to the selector. So, this is a money pull up thing where you see here, so. The real dancehall thing. Let us go.
Me stand up one place, I wait till boom boom pick up the pace. Feel me party with me girl. I'm me rumming on me hand, I'm me rumming on me hand. Every day is Christmas. Party with me girl. I'm me rumming on.
No, as I mentioned before, that Shelly Belly will take your woman and throw her all over the place. You just see him with a lady there, so it's just that they didn't show him face, but it's him. That's the same culprit. Let me find him back.
Every day is Christmas. Party with me girl.
Yes, this is Shelly Belly here, so it's somebody woman. Always have her ritual all over the place. Don't see him there now. Shelly Belly. There's no jelly to this. Let us go.
I'm me rumming on me hand, I'm me rumming on me hand. Every day is Christmas. Party with me girl. I'm me rumming on me hand.
Okay, so you're seeing there. So you see, I tell you they will find him back.
I'm me rumming on me hand.
Yes, this is your Usain Bolt right here with his hat turned back way.
Every day is Christmas. Give me girl. I'm me rumming on me hand. I'm me rumming on me hand. Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah.
All right, let us. So song done, and let me tell you, think about it. What do you think? A big song. Yo, this song bad enough, brother. Yeah, man, a song where you can listen to, and it have a different vibe to it. It's one of the classics them in my book with Vybz Kartel. It fit in the color in this life song or the fever song. Nothing more to say. So people, me want to know what I think about this song. I need to know what I think about the review, and I also need to know what else you want me to review. So another day in the bars beat section, and I say, have that.